Hi children, welcome to our grammar class. For 4th class children, today's topic name is sentences. What is the topic name? Sentences. Today we learn how to write the sentences and how to write the words in alphabetical order. Okay? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means how many alphabets are there in English? Yes, 26. Then we write the words first with A letter, after B letter, after C letter, like that in the order. That is called the alphabetical order. You can see many words in a dictionary now. In a dictionary we can see many words. Have you noticed that they are listed in ABC order? In a dictionary the words are listed in ABC order. Now this is called the dictionary order. This is called the dictionary order. See here. Rewrite these words in alphabetical order. Nothing but ABC order also, alphabetical order. See here, some words are given. Frog, shoe, apple, hand. These are the words. Now we will write in alphabetical order. What we have to do first? First, we check the first letters in the words. In all the words, we check the first letters. Here, F, S, A, H. These are the first letters. Which letter we have to write first? Which word we have to write here? The word which comes with A letter we have to write here. Which word is there? A is there or not? First letter. Yes. Here A is first letter. So we write this word first. What is that word? Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A completed. A after which letter? Yes, B. B is there in the first letters. B is there? No. C? No. D? No. E? No. F? Yes. Here F is the first letter now. So we write this word here. Frog. What is that? Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Here F letter completed. F completed. F after? G. G is there in the first letters? No. G after? H. Yes. H is here only. What is the word? H-A-N-D. Hand. How many words left here? Only one word left here. 3 words already completed. No. Only one word left here. So we no need to check the letters. Directly we will write shoe, because this is the last word now. S-H-O-E, shoe. Completed. Apple, frog, hand, shoe. This is the alphabetical order. Next one. Tap, nail, ball, jug. What we have to do first? Yes, first we have to check the first letters in the words. T, N, B, J. First we write the word which started with A letter now. Starts with A letter. A is there? The first letter A is there? No. Not there. B? Yes. Here B is the first letter. So we write this word. What is this word? Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Here B completed. B after? C. C is there in the first letters? No. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, S. J is here. The first letter is J. So we write this word jug. J-U-G, jug. Which letter completed here? J completed. J after? K. Not there. L, M, N, S. N is here only. N for nail. Here we have to write the word nail. How many words left here? Still one word only is there. So no need to check. Directly we write this word here, tap. T-A-P, tap. Next. Third one. Car, teapot, key, zoo. First letters C, T, K, Z. These are the first letters. A letter is there in the first letters. A is there? No. B? No. C? Yes. Here. C-A-R, car. Here C completed. C after? D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Yes, K. K is here. So, K-E-Y, key. We read this word next. K completed. Here key na? K completed. K letter completed. K after? L? Not there. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Yes, T is here only. So, we read this word here. What is that word? Teapot. T-E-A-P-O-T. Teapot. One word only is left here. So, we write, sorry, not this word. One word only is here. See, this one completed, this one completed, this one completed. Only this one left. One word only left. So, directly we write this word Jew. Completed. Children, have you understood how to write in alphabetical order? Okay. Here also some groups are there. You enter this one in your notebook and try to write in alphabetical order. Okay. Now I will explain how to write the sentences. Sentence making. Sentence making. Words are made up of many letters. No, words are made up of many letters. If, see here, this is M, O, N, K, E, Y. These are the different letters. Totally M, O, N, K, E, Y. Monkey. This is the word. So, this word is made up of many letters, no? Like that, words are made up of many letters. Sentences are made up of words arranged in a meaningful order. Words are made up of letters and sentences are made up of words. See here. Is, name, his, Raju, is, no need, is, name, his, Raju. These are the different words. Is name, his, Raju. Is this correct sentence? Is this meaningful sentence? No. See here. His name is Raju. Read this. Sorry, name. N-A-M-E, name. Read this. His name is Raju. Here are some words. His name is Raju. We arranged these words in order, meaningful order. So, this sentence is also meaningful sentence. Like this, if we arrange some words in meaningful order, we make a meaningful sentence. Have you understood? Okay, see here. Rewrite these jumbled sentences correctly with correct punctuation and capital letters. Punctuation also, we have to write the punctuation also here. Punctuation means full stop, question mark, exclamatory, like that, and capital letter. Let's try. See how to write. London capital is England of the. London capital is England of the. Is this a meaningful sentence? No, this is not in meaningful order. These words are not in order. We will arrange these words in order, in meaningful order. We can make a meaningful sentence. See here, I will write London. We remember that first we write the capital letter also, London. Here it is small letter, no? Small l. London, L, capital letter. London. London is the capital of England. Here England is a noun, no? It is a name of the country, no? So we write capital letter. We write capital letter here. ENGLAND, England. Here we write the full stop. It is a punctuation. We must write full stop here. London is the capital of England. So it is the meaningful sentence or not? Yes. Here we write capital letter and punctuation, and here also we write a capital letter. Why? Because it is a noun. It is the name of a country name. So we write here also a capital letter. Next, second one. Very fast that car goes. Very fast that car goes. It is not a meaningful sentence now. Yes, we arrange the words in correct order and write the meaningful sentence. That car goes very fast. That. First we write the word that. Here T is the small letter or capital letter? Small letter. But we write capital letter because the sentence is starting now. Here we are starting the sentence now. So the starting of the sentence we must write the capital letter. That. THAT. That car goes very fast. That car goes very fast. Completed. That car goes very fast. This is the meaningful sentence, but it is not completed. We forgot one thing. What is that? Yes, to put the punctuation here. We must put the punctuation, full stop here. That car goes very fast. Third one, see here. This costs rupees book 100. Is this a meaningful? No. Let's arrange the words in correct order. This book costs 100 rupees. This is the correct order. This book costs 100 rupees. So which word we have to write first? This. What we have write first? Yes, T, capital letter. Here T is small letter, but we write capital letter because the sentence is starting here. So T, capital letter. THIS. This book costs book completed, costs completed. These two words we read. This book costs 100 rupees. 100. Now 100. 100 rupees. This book costs 100 rupees. Next one, School walks Priya to. School walks Priya to. Is this a meaningful sentence? No. So we arrange these words in meaningful order. First Priya. First Priya. Priya. P small letter is here. Here P is small letter. We write capital letter P. Priya. Priya. Next walks. Priya walks. Next to. Priya walks to school. This is the sentence and punctuation. Priya walks to school. Next one. Lamps burn spring usually in R. Springtime usually in R. Meaningful sentence. Are you understanding this sentence? No. It is not a meaningful sentence now. So we arrange the words in meaningful order. Usually. First, which word we have to write? Usually. U small letter is here. We have to write capital letter USUALLY. Usually lamps are usually lamps are. Next born in springtime. RINGTIME. Springtime. Usually, see here, usually lamps are born in springtime. This is the correct order. This is the meaningful order of the sentence. This is the meaningful sentence. Like this, you also practice to write the meaningful sentences, children. Have you understood this grammar? Today's grammar? Okay, children. You also try to write some more sentences in order and some more words in alphabetical order. Okay? Thank you.